Folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas, and have I got something to show you. This is our 1965 396 425 horsepower Nassau Blue white interior, absolutely gorgeous car that we're getting ready to deliver. An old friend of ours that we built other cars for, Ricky. Well, take a look at this. Just look at that in there. That white is just stunning and gorgeous. And everything has been restored and just the way it came from the factory. This car has already been top flighted. In other words, the National Corvette Restorer Society has come out. They've inspected the car and they tell us that is 99.87% correct. I don't know how much better it can get than that. We've even got on this car, as far as options are concerned, naturally the vinyl convertible top. He's got a radio in it. These are real Kelsey Hayes knockoff wheels, date coated to the car. Let me pop the hood. Huh? Oh, come on now. That is just fantastic stuff right there. And naturally this car is date coated. This is the original motor out of the car. I want to show you something, folks. See this little overspray right there on that intake manifold? It kind of looks ugly, but that's the way they came from the factory. Even on the exhaust, if you notice, there's orange paint on the exhaust manifolds. So as this motor is rolling down the assembly line, they put this plastic cover on top of that right there, and they get after it with the spray cans. The exhaust manifolds are already on the car, and they just spray it all orange. Even with the bell housing and transmission, it's all together, and they paint it all. And that's why we put that back on there, because it's going to be judged. If you got something, if you need something, if you want something, you know where to come. Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.